There is a man, there is a man ruled by his appetites, and he will never be satisfied from pursuing his desires. Commentary number 4. Hilchot Rabbah 134 states, no person will die having accomplished even half of that desire. So I'm sure that he heard it many times. Right? So no, one more time. No person will die having accomplished even half of his desires. So I could have done this, could have, would have, and stuff like that. Right? This statement is difficult to comprehend, since there appear to be many successful individuals who achieve their desires. Nevertheless, their accomplishments do not mean that their desires will have been satisfied. Right? As if you listen to Rabbi Reuven long enough, so he said it many times, especially in the olden days. So especially in a story when he said when he made $1 million or $1.5 million in 1 month, and everybody said like, what is next? You're going to retire? You're going to this, that? Or you're going to party? He said, no, I'm just working. I'm going to continue working.
Oh, Rabbi, you're wrong.
Yeah. Right. So
it's the thing. Yeah. That's how I grabbed the sentence. It's like no person will die having accomplished even half of what he did. It means like, I mean, to me, it seems like no matter what you do, even half, quarter, or all of it, like your life isn't over. Like it's not something you're going to take with you, like in a way, like when you die, like, it's not like that's it. You accomplished half of what your goal is, and that's it. Like
no. One second. Here we're talking about money.
Right.
Yeah. Here we're talking about money specifically.
Oh, okay. One person. So desires. Well, I don't know. I thought it was being general, like with everything.
No. But then said no person die having accomplished even half of what he desires. Okay. The statement is difficult to comprehend, since there appears to be many successful individuals who achieve their desires. Nevertheless, the accomplishment do not mean that their desires will have been satisfied.
Right.
As the Medrash continues, a person who possesses, so it's continue business, 100 silver pieces desires 200. One who possesses 200 desires 400. Desire itself is never satisfied. Instead, it puts a person on a constantly moving treadmill with ever-increasing aims. As soon as one reaches one goal, he instinctively begins to pursue it in pursuit of another. No, you're right. I apologize. I think, the example, yeah, I just remember the example. So it was about money. So about money, it's 100%, but about all other things, it's also,
right?
all of the ambitions, right?
The way I see it is like, somebody wants to get a house, a nice big house, and then what? You get the big house, then what? You want the nice cars, and then you get the nice cars, and then what? Then you get the nice wife, and then you get the nice girlfriend, and you get the nice vacation. Where does it end? It doesn't end.
Yes.
I look at my friend. I have a friend who, Beezrat Hashem, one day I hope he does tshuva, and I look at him, and he's very smart and successful. Like he knows how to make money, but nothing ever satisfies him. Like he'll make money here, but it's not enough. He needs to keep going, and then he'll make money there, and it's not enough. He needs to keep going, and then he needs to do this, and one tattoo is not enough, and he needs this and that. And I'm just like, where does it end? Where are you taking all that? This is after I'm thinking in my head. Like where does it end? There's no end to it.
But you can ask him this question also.
I do. I have. He's like, oh, he's my best friend. He's a very proud person. It's very difficult to get through, He's a very big klipa.
Maybe we're going to, Beezrat Hashem, not maybe, for sure, we're going to learn some things that are going to help you and I to help these people.
Maybe.
To explain them better. Rambam goes to the core of the issue. Right? That one leads to another. Okay. So continue. It was number 4. So one more time the sentence. Number 4. There is a man. There is a man ruled by his appetites. He will never be satisfied from pursuing his desires. So you're right. It's not only about money. Example was about money, but it's about all appetites. Right? And conversely, they're very pure of heart. Conversely, they're very pure of heart, who does not desire even little that the body needs. So commentaries say, this pair of contrasting personality types, deals with the person's appetites, which can be satisfied by sensual experience. For example, gluttony is stimulated and satisfied by taste. Okay, we know where it's coming from. What is it?
I have that problem.
Gluttony?
Gluttony, yeah. Like, sweets especially, like I can't stop eating. Like even just one, I can't stop.
Okay, I mean that's a problem of most of the people. Okay.
Yeah.
In a contrast, the the traits mentioned below, the desire of money or lack or desire or lack of desire for it, do not involve the senses.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very interesting, because even like the way I understand, so even the person is glutton and he likes to eat meat. I don't know, whatever he likes. Okay, so he can eat one piece of meat. Okay, two, but that's it. He cannot eat any longer, right? And maybe he would feel even sick from all this meat that he ate.
Mm-hmm.
But with money, it's not like that. Even you don't touch the money, you just not you, but somebody open his bank account and he sees all of this big money, thousands, right? So that's different thing. Okay, so continue.
Mm-hmm.
There is a greedy man who cannot be satisfied with all the money in the world. As Keheles 5:9 states, a lover of money never has his fill of money. So the one who loves money never has enough. Never. Number 7. Here the Rambam describes an example where the desire of money becomes a goal.
Okay, do number 6.
Wow. Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what happened. Thank you.
That's okay.
Okay. So go to the beginning then. Mm-hmm. Thank you. There is a greedy man who cannot be satisfied. Number 6. Literally, whose soul is never satisfied. Soul never satisfied. So I mean, right? Which makes sense. Like compared to the previous case where he ate whatever he ate. I mean, there is a satisfaction, right? Because the satisfaction comes from the body. His satisfaction should come from the soul, but it will never be. Perhaps the Rambam uses soul both here and with regard to a man ruled by his sensual appetite, because it is the desire that characterizes the man. So desire meaning that as we said, that the guy is a glutton, right? So desires come from the soul, not from the body. Right? Body can be satisfied with if you eat bread, right? So you don't need to eat fancy schmancy food to feel like satiated, right? So you eat I don't know, 3-4 pieces of bread and that's it. You're satiated, not your food.
Mm-hmm.
So but the soul like wants more. Soul meaning it's a harap.
You think that the soul is never satisfied? It's always searching for something, in a way, right? It's always
if it is his trait, because as we said, the counter to this guy that even the little that he like his body needs, he does not want it. Mm-hmm. That's it. I mean, even deprive himself from a little that he should like. We're going to learn. Person have to eat like normal food. If he knows that something is not good, right, not healthy, he has to stop, right? Or something is healthy, maybe it costs a little more. That's what he should get, right? Like in the middle of the sentence. So because I'm going to start a little before.
It's okay.
Because it is the desire that characterizes man, not the performance of the action as such. So desire characterizes man, not performance as such. So basically, that's the idea here in this Hilchot De'ot, how to apply your mind to change your character. A man may never indulge in his passion of food, or actually amass money, and yet be gluttonous or greedy. One more time, the sentence. Man may never indulge his passion for food, or actually amass money, and yet be gluttonous or greedy. Though in practice,
So he's saying, basically, is he saying that even though a person will never get the amount of money that he wants, or will never get the food, or will never get the food, or he won't have that passion for food, he can still be gluttonous or greedy, right?
I understood a little differently.
How did you understand?
Okay, so let me read it again, and I'm going to tell you how I understand. A man may never indulge in his passion for food, or actually amass amount of money, and yet be gluttonous and greedy. So basically, at some point, like how much food he can eat, how much money. I mean, it is enough money, right? For example, he has his apartment, right? He's living an apartment. Let's say, or he paid off this apartment, whatever. Like
Right.
it's his. I mean, he has a little job. It's enough. It's enough. Or whatever he has everything. So on the surface, he should be satisfied. Why he's not satisfied? And so he's gluten. I mean, he ate. I mean, how much he can eat, right? He's stuffed. So it's not. So they what the way I understand it says that it's coming from another source. This need for more, it's coming from another source.
Okay.
Though in practice his ability to gratify his ambitions may be limited by his external factors, the desires of his soul are nonetheless unlimited. So I mean the external factors. I mean, okay. So how many houses do you want? How much food do you need? Right. So I mean, he's satisfied. He has place to live, right? But his desires tell him, no, you have you need a bigger place. You need a huge, I don't know, be in the center of everything. Okay.